Today on Unbox Daily, we are adding to our Integrity Toys collection with another doll from the industry Lovesick collection. These dolls are for collectors ages 15 and up only. Once again, I took a trip to cherishedfriends.com and bought this doll for $130. Let's very gracefully open the box. Ha! And there she is. Say hello to Jade. Her official title is the Industry Lovesick Collection Feelin Extra Jade, number 88012. Limited edition of 725. Let's remove the picture so we can see the actual doll. I am so impressed with the Integrity Toys doll faces. And this doll has pretty soft makeup, which I like a lot. Let's take this out so we can find the certificate of authenticity. There we go. And she is number 38 out of 725. I love getting small numbers. Let's very carefully remove the doll from her box. Assemble the doll stand, remove the hairnet and the protective plastic. Place the doll on the stand so we can check out all of the awesomeness. Out of the box, her curls are pretty tight. I have been told that I should brush them out, so I'm gonna listen because right now the hair doesn't look like the picture. Okay, you were right. That's definitely better. However, I would have liked a different hair quality, something a little softer. And at $130, it would have been nice if she came fresh from the salon. I'm sorry, I don't mean to be critical. It's just that, she cost a lot. And I do have some dolls that cost a lot less with perfect out-of-the-box hair. But these dolls do have the best eyelashes I have ever seen. They are delicate, soft, and very natural. She has painted fingernails and toenails. She is wearing a green jacket with a stripe down the side and an embroidered dragon on the front. Make that dragons. It has a real zipper that we are not going to play with today. The jacket is clean and lined on the inside. She wears a red shirt underneath with yellow writing that says Queen. It closes with hooks in the back. She wears a black faux leather skirt with a gold zipper. There is a wide belt at the base with a large gold buckle. And of course, she has accessories. She comes with a box purse. It's a blue faux leather. The top is shiny, it's pink with polka dots. There are small tassels all the way around the sides, black trim at the bottom, and a black handle. Inside the box, we find shoes. Hot pink shoes? You are speaking my language. I love a good pair of pink shoes. They have black soles, red laces, and little tiny grommets. Where do you even get grommets that small? Here are her second set of hands. They are curled so she can hold things like the purse. The nails are painted as well. This is a fabric accessory. It's pinched in the middle, has elastic in the back. According to the online pictures, it's a hair accessory. Ooh, jewelry. Do I get a tiny ring? I think I do. And it's shaped like a heart. Look at that. Ah, it's so cute. She comes with gold earrings. I like those. She has a hot pink choker with a gold buckle. What's really cool about this is that it uses magnets to fasten in the back. What a great idea! And last but definitely not least, here is a pair of glasses. They are red, they have lenses, and what I think is super cool is that they can actually close up. What? No. Yes! I am so impressed right now, it's not funny. Little details like this are making me a big fan. We are adding Jade to the cast of our upcoming show, Summer and Callie, so we gotta give her a new name, even though I'm kinda fond of the name Jade. But we can name her something close, like Jazz. Yep, your name is Jazz.
Hello! Here are 3 things you didn't know about me. I love puppies, especially werewolf puppies. Their little teeth are so sharp and cute. I love to bake cupcakes and make them look like spiders. Wouldn't you want a cute little spider cupcake? And I major in drama. I plan on being the star of a reality TV show one day.
Wow, Jazz is definitely an interesting character. We're gonna have a lot of fun with her. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the industry Lovesick collection Feelin Extra Jade, who we now call Jazz. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we'll see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.